Hi guys, welcome back to Just an Ordinary Girl. So today we're making a carrot cake, and as you're gonna see, I used two different kind of flours. So the first flour you saw was just a whole wheat flour, and this one here is the whole wheat pastry flour, and I mixed them. Next is the sugar. This cake is like a dump cake. You just dump everything in and then stir, so it's really easy to do. And I sifted everything through that little sifter. Then we got some cinnamon there, and some salt, and what else? We got baking powder, baking soda, ener-g egg replacer that replaces the eggs. With the ener-g replacer, you mix it with water to make like a nice egg texture. And applesauce there replaces oil in any cake recipe. And don't worry, it doesn't taste like apples, but even if it did, you wouldn't care because it goes pretty good with carrots. And when you shred your carrots, don't pack them in there. Just lay them in there gently, And I'm stirring them together. Then I'm adding the dry ingredients. So you just add the dry ingredients into the wet. I had to add a little water because it was too thick. And then I prepared my pan with just parchment paper. And I'm cutting up my walnuts. I forgot to add them to the batter. So here's what I did instead. After I had it poured, I went ahead and mixed it through. And it turned out really good, but you just got to mix it real good. And I'm going to bake it at 350 degrees. And there it is. And I use this Duncan Hines cream cheese icing, which is vegan. No icing is healthy, but but it was delicious. We didn't use the whole jar. I only used about a half. This container that I got my cake in came from Dollar Tree, and it's really nice if you want to put your cake in something like this. It's a really great little thing because it keeps your cake moist, and it didn't smoosh my icing or nothing. So, yeah, doesn't it look delicious? It was, trust me. And then I added the remaining chopped walnuts on top. I had some left over, but it looks nice on top of the icing like that, and it tastes good too. It really brought out the flavor of the walnuts. Doesn't that look delicious, guys? If you're new here, don't forget on Saturdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, my husband and I do live concerts from our kitchen, which is the tiny kitchen concerts. And we always have a good time. We do music about like in the starting about around in the 60s on up. And we have a good group of people that love to come in and chat with one another and with us. And we just have a really good time. And I'm inviting all of you to come and hang out with us. There's no set time to end. I would have liked to go 2 or 3 hours, but it seems like we always wind up doing about 5 hours. So it's like to about midnight. But I'm not guaranteeing you that time because it could change week by week, depending on how many people's in there. And if they're not all falling asleep. Sometimes they do. That's only because they're tired, not because of the music. But yeah, if they get too tired, then they'll Don't go to sleep. Oh, my voice sounds like a frog's in it today, but I'm just sitting here. I got up and I haven't even had my coffee yet. And it's like, hope you don't mind. Please forgive my voice. That's why I don't do voiceovers. Oh, that cake looks good. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Love yourself and others, and subscribe. Bye.